Hello everyone, and welcome to Next Gen Lab Scholars YouTube channel. So today we'll be looking at a scholarship opportunity to do your masters at the University of Bristol in the UK, and it's for international students. So you check it out and see. So this scholarship ranges from £3,000 to £26,000. So and it has two categories for the undergraduate application and the postgraduate application. So for the undergraduate application, it has the deadline has elapsed already. So except for those going for masters that can take advantage of this opportunity. So and it's going to elapse by the 23rd of April 2025, 10 a.m. UK time, which approximates 4 p.m. West African time, or whatever time zone you are in, you can convert it and see. So this is the timeline for the application. So for this application, you have to select a course. You have to select a course. You go to the programs in the university's website. You select a course and you apply. So during your application, you are to indicate that you want to be considered for the University of for the Think Big postgraduate scholarship, and here is the form for it. So you indicate when you're done, you get your student ID in which you are going to upload on this portal on this portal here. So this is it. These are the requirements for you to be considered for this. You find a course that you want to study, submit an application to study. After applying, you'll be given an application ID where you are going to fill it in here. So the basic requirements for this is your curriculum vitae. They are not requesting for your CV for this, and even your English proficiency is not required of you at this stage. You will need a reference letter from an academic or a professional mentor or whatsoever, and I think that's that for this scholarship. If you have any questions, you can leave questions in the comment section and I'll be sure to give you a reply. And don't forget to subscribe and like our videos for more.